hard to comply with. Honest naman kami. So ayan, sa mute guys, it's like hard to not talk. Parang instinct mo lagi is to like, you know the problem. Nandiyan na sa harap mo, di mo lang masabi. Tapos yung sa blind naman, it's easy enough for them to pick up the pieces. Parang sasabihin namin, okay, ako bound guy ako. So, Cole, pick up mo yung piece. Hindi yan, yung sa kanan. Okay, kuha na. Parang gano'n. Pero yung pag-align ng piece, pag sinabi mo, okay, nandyan na yung piece over the spot, place it in. Hindi, mahirap i-align yung piece. Lalo pa kung may corner, hindi siya corner piece, yung parang it's in between other pieces. And for the, yun, pag bound ka, yung biggest problem, meron kasi yung two lines eh, parang first is patience, kasi parang alam mo yung kailangan gawin, and hindi mo lang magawa, kailangan mo i-direct someone who cannot see or cannot talk to do it. Pero yung sa akin, nahirapan ako dahil nakasalamin ako kanina, nung napawisan ako, yun, may pawis na tumulo sa mata ko. Hirap. So, nagpatulong ako sa spectator since sa dalaman pwede naman yun.
Huwag ganun, may tayo lahat.
Tapos yung sa spectator naman, yung sa amin, yung may I think tatlo kang spectators. Wala silang parang they felt so helpless. Mas helpless pa sila sa bound guy na nagdi-direct kasi sila, they can touch, they can see, they can talk. But they can only talk to one guy who has to translate it and then tell it to the blind guy what to do or the mute guy. So, yung problems encountered doing the puzzle, yung pinaka ano namin is rotation and placing. Lalo pa yung, for example, naka-align yung puzzle sa inyo na you're facing it. Tapos biglang accidentally matadiagonal siya. Tapos parang kailangan mong i-realign ulit para gumagana ulit yung 90 degree turn mo. Parang gano'n. Tapos yung isa pang problem is, syempre 2 taon nag-aayos, magbabanggaan yung pieces. Kailangan mong i-repair yung mga pieces na out of place. Actually, doon kami na-delay sa constant repair. Tapos, to rescue the team, who's as a leader, madaling sabihin na yung bound guy, kasi siya yung voice, siya yung nagbibigay ng directions. Pero, tanggalin mo yung isang tao sa team, yung either the blind guy or the mute guy, mahihirapan kayo to finish the ano. So, wala nag-rescue sa mighty. Team effort po. Tapos, number 5, how did you feel about being blind, mute, and bound? Ayan na po yung nasa number 2. Pero ulitin na po namin. Lahat, you may be mighty, pero you have to be dependent on each other. Kasi ganun yung mga mighty. Number 7, what insights or learning did you get from pag may teamwork po, kaya lahat. Tapos, number 8, how do you apply them to your job? Coordination and division of responsibilities lang. Tapos, basically, kahit nga marami kang problema, like for example, yung blind guy, hindi siya makakita. Yung blind guy, alam niya yung solution pero hindi niya masabi. Yung bound guy, gusto niyang mag-hands-on sa puzzle pero hindi niya magawa. Focus ka lang sa task at hand. Kasi hindi mo naman responsibility ng iba. Let the other people do their job.
Thank you very much. How about your mga teammates na siya bound? Nasaan yung blind? Sino yung blind sa kayong...
Sabi na lahat. Sabi na lahat. Kasi tara nga, mighty tayo eh.
Di ba mighty kayo?
Oo, mighty.
Yun ang challenge. Di ba mighty kayo?
And so, isa ako sa mga blind. Hindi ko naman na-feel yung pressure or fear na sa amin nakadepende yung completion ng task. Kasi teamwork dapat yung mag-prevail. So, lahat kami dumidepende sa isa't isa para matapos yung task.
So, blind date ako. So, same sa sinabi ni Cole, parang hindi namin naramdaman na sa akin, parang sa amin nakasalalay na dapat maayos. Kasi nakadependent ka dun sa isa na siya rin nakadependent din dun sa isa. Mabigat ang kamay ni June.
Isa ako sa mga mute. Actually, exciting siya para sa akin kasi kahit na ganun kataas yung urge mo para sa nega ako magsalita, mapupunan naman siya ng kamay mo.
Special.
Mute kasi yung role ko, tapos sabi nga ni Jaime, focus. So kahit may isip ko na pwede naman akong, kasi nung una sinisiko ko siya itong tinutuko ko yung piece. So naisip ko, teka, pinaperform ko yung role ng iba, dapat hindi. Naisip ko, ituloy na. So kahit pwede kong i-perform, kung hindi ako mag
Okay, bigyan ko lang ng diin yung ano, yung sinabi niya na mahirap hindi ka makapagsalita, pero pwede naman gawin yung kamay mo, di ba? Best representation yon na if you have weaknesses, huwag yun yung tingnan mo. Tingnan mo yung kung ano yung strength mo. At yun ang iyong yun ang ilabas mo. Okay? Yung weaknesses mo, pwede namang tulungan
Mighty
ng
ka
iba.
talaga.
And then pwede mo rin yung ma-achieve ng pwede mo palakasin yung mga weaknesses mo through your strength. Okay? Next.
Okay, so for question number 1, which of the rules did you follow strictly? Lahat naman.
PDF review.
Follow strictly. For number 2, which of the rules was hard to comply with? Especially for the spectators, yung resisting to touch the puzzle pieces. Kasi parang meron kang pwedeng gawin, pero hindi ka dapat, ikaw yung gumawa. Tapos, for number 3, what are the problems encountered while doing the puzzle? Pang Miss Universe yung answer natin. We are all united. That, yes. Ayun. Number 3 pa lang. Ay, sorry. 3, what are the problems? Oh. So, precise po rin. Ayan, problems encountered while doing the puzzle. Ayun pala, precise communication. Dahil nakapag parang yung puzzle, konting nudge na lang para malagay dun sa right place. So, yung paano i-communicate yung gano'n. For number 4, who rescued the team who stood as a leader? Yun na, we believe that we are all united in this activity. So, for number 5, how did you feel about being blind? It felt difficult but guided. For the mute, actions speak louder than words. For the above, words are power.
Imagine what actions can be.
Insights, learning did you get from the activity? The importance of unity, teamwork, and we realize that we can
Hindi sila
complement
second.
each other's abilities and disabilities. And yun, it helps knowing the strengths and weaknesses of each member of the team. For numbers 7, how do you apply them to your job? Same. That in our job, it's important to have unity, teamwork, and to complement each other's abilities and disabilities.
As a blind, ang hirap. Kasi, you have to rely on sa touch mo. Kailangan mo kakapain yung piece, kung pang corner ba yung piece na yun o pang gitna. Tapos, kung nasa point ka na nasa board ka na, kung tamang position na ba ang kailangan i-rotate, yung ganito. Ang hirap. Very difficult.
Parang